Shit, I didn't drive 4 hours for no reason.
Yeah.
Try to see some dude's house.
Let's see the man's house.
Trying to strive to what he has, but
For sure.
I was just thinking about like, this is insane.
This is crazy.
And he's only gonna get bigger than this.
For sure.
This is nothing.
Did you see his blueprint of his final building
No.
he wants to build?
No.
It's in there.
It looks like a college campus.
Dude, yeah,
Really?
it's massive.
It's got that like
It's
circular
it's
layout.
like it's his logo, but every single building making up the logo is supposed to be like 35 to 50,000 square feet.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, we'll have enough space out here to do it.
Yeah. I mean, there's a bunch of land. Yeah. He could buy.
Y'all don't know this is going to the track event. Thank you for coming.
My guy.
All right, so we're gonna do a nice tour of his house and check it out. Things I've seen on videos and stuff, now seeing it in person. It's definitely cool to check out. So it's a nice van, shuttling back and forth.
Yeah.
Feels like I'm going to the White House. Kitchen goals. Look at this. I'm sure it's not done. They haven't really painted the cabinets yet, but check it out. I gotta say, it's really interesting, like a guy letting random strangers walking around the house. It's pretty cool. But I guess it's like open house. Yeah, it is open house.
Super dope.
Yeah, this is unique.
Oh man.
Oh, John.
The gym. Good to see you.
This is the infamous E92 M3. Insane to see it in person. Look at that. And the paint is immaculate. Immaculate. Paint is immaculate. He's definitely gonna watch after you guys all touch it.
He's gonna come back and see all the fingerprints, but I gotta watch.
Listen, I only touched the door handle.
These seats are dream seats right here.
Oh, yeah.
Bro, the seats themselves are just a flex.
But the price.
I know.
I know, I'm just like watching the handles just like all the way up.
A lot of people today.
It's like, this is the best.
Yeah, look at that paint.
Bro, I need some.
To be able to watch this guy on YouTube and actually come into his house and see, you know, what he does in here and see his car, see his house, it's pretty cool. Definitely work in progress in the garage and stuff. I'll show you guys a little bit. Definitely the Sonic cabinets.
Yeah, so if you guys want, I can kind of introduce myself and do the spiel or whatever.
Garage goals.
So the stairs really make it easy to go up and down. Like the ladder versus stairs.
If I ever get an E92 M3, definitely it'd be like this. Alcantara.
That's too nice. That's
Maybe DCT so the fiance could drive it. Brembos.
And then it's
So definitely pretty cool to walk around his house, check everything out.
200
We're heading back to OGHQ. Gorgeous garage goals, and I'm sure that his next house is gonna be more insane than this. But gotta say, it's been pretty cool to have a YouTuber let random people go inside of his house, check out his stuff. Obviously, it's a business thing too because you get to see his products and buy his products and see his solutions. But other than that, We'll be heading back and then going to the next venture of today. Just get off the van tour and then we're gonna look at this E30 M3. So you may remember this guy from previous episodes, Tipped on Tips. He's a little bit late. We've been here for about like about almost 10 o'clock. Tipped on Tips!
What's up, F80
You're a little late?
I am extra late.
What happened?
I had to wash the car.
You can bring your car dirty here.
No. You can't bring a dirty car to Obsessed Garage.
Another buddy that has a 2 Series.
Ah, very nice. What do you got?
6-speed 2016 MC35i.
Same thing?
Same exact spec.
Nice, how you liking it?
You guys be best friends now.
Yeah, they're
The
fire.
bestest of friends. When you find other 2 Series, you have to stick
Bro, you
together.
have to. There's not many of us.
And if it's a 6-speed too, they're both 6-speed.
6-speed boys.
6-speed is life.
You have to.
All right, so overall it's been a really cool and hot day. Got to see exactly where the man, the myth, the legend operates from, and also his house. I'm just drenched in sweat. But right now we're going to be going to do some photos. I don't know where, but these Orlando folks will show me around, so we'll check it out. All right, we're just leaving OGHQ. Definitely had a good time. My shirt is filthy and soaked. I'm probably going to stink, but right now we're going to be going to a location where we're going to shoot some photos. This location was given by one of the members of OGHQ. If we're not supposed to have it, I'm not going to say his name. But we're gonna head over there, take some photos, and just hang out, relax. And I drove 4 hours, so why not, just hang out with some of the boys from Orlando. And that's it. And then later on, I'll probably drive back south. A nice 4-hour trip back south. Kevin, you were late. I would have hung out with you longer, but it is what it is. I'll see you next week. So I gotta say, like, the neighborhood around here is pretty quiet, like I said earlier. Would it be an area where I want to live? Probably not. It's just too quiet for me. It is very peaceful. I can only imagine at night when it's like pitch black. We're coming over here to take photos. It looks definitely like an abandoned warehouse, so pretty interesting, pretty cool. But we're definitely gonna check it out. All right, so we are at a random location. It looks like an abandoned warehouse. Got the cars in the back. Look at that. That's a good, beautiful background. But we're gonna be taking photos here, and then after that, I'm not sure what we're gonna be doing after that. I'm sure some of the guys are pretty tired. So you got the photographer right here. You got my car back there, and everybody's cars back here. So like I said, it's a good time hanging out with these guys. It's not every time that I get to hang out with some people from Orlando like this and doing car things. So as I get older, the time of doing this will be limited. But it's definitely cool to hang out with F80 Ho.
Let's go.
And some of the boys up in Orlando. It's crazy too, because you're putting the name of the Instagram and car to the face of it now, which I'll probably forget you guys' names anyway. And that's just how it works. But a lot of clean cars here, a lot of BMWs. And we all came out to the OGHQ open house, so that was fun. And they have a drone up. You hear that? Going up. I know. Literally, we just spent probably about 2 hours, hour and a half here, just chit-chatting with some of the guys here. Cool bunch of guys here. So if you guys are in Orlando, definitely these are the guys to hang out with. We're gonna go get some food. I think we're gonna get some Korean food. I'll probably bring my camera there or my phone to record it. But it's a long day and it's a fun day. I'm sweating, dried mouth and everything, but these motherfuckers are cool. So having a good time. Hey Viet, did your vlog stop already? Did your vlog stop already?
Nah, I got
He's slacking, he's slacking.
Battery's dead, I'm slacking.
Pull your phone out, vlog.
Oh, I have been.
Gotta do that, but what are we gonna do right now?
I'm trying not to melt first, you know?
What are we gonna do right now?
What? We about to get some food.
Yep.
I got some Asian food, because you already know us Asian guys gotta eat Asian food.
That's so fucked up. If I can do it though, you guys can't do it.
True that.
But we're gonna get some gas, get some water, and just rehydrate. So I'll follow them. They're the tour guides. So just finished gassing up at Racetrack. Not my preferred gas, but you know, it's in the area and I don't want to hold her up waiting for a Shell gas station. But my primary gas stations I like to use is Shell and also Chevron. Those are my two favorites. But right now our next stop is going to be somewhere in Orlando getting Korean food, and we're going to enjoy from there. So before we continue the vlog, I do want to thank the staff members at Obsessed Garage and also Matt Mormon for hosting everybody there. It takes a lot for somebody to open doors, especially at your facility and also at one's home, where random strangers come over to your house and kind of look at your house a little bit and also look at your garage. And that's like, for us guys, that's more like our safe haven, our man cave, so to say. So it takes a lot for somebody to do that. And I know a lot of people that were there, they're very appreciative of it. But it was definitely a great experience. The 4-hour drive was definitely well worth it. And what made it really pretty fun is spending with the guys here in Orlando. I don't know all you guys' names, but I know you guys are gonna be watching this. Thank you for showing me around. You know, I'm not really used to the area, so I'm not really familiar with the area, but we're gonna be going getting some Korean food, like I said earlier, where we're gonna pig out and have a good time and just talk some more about cars. So we're finally here. The restaurant's called Korea House. It's off Gear Lake Avenue and Colonial Drive. That looks like a steep driveway, by the way, so I'm gonna try to maneuver that in there and put the camera down.
Or something.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, I was like, damn, he's from Gainesville, that man driving all the way out here to eat?
Dude, him and his mom come out here just to go to lot.
Yeah.
Why?
Because they don't have any.
So we're eating with the boys down in Korean House. What area is this anyway? Downtown Orlando?
Yeah,
Downtown Orlando?
basically downtown.
So, test it out, see if it's good. Definitely a big fan of Korean barbecue, so if you guys haven't tried Korean barbecue, definitely try it. So basically, these are all the little appetizers. If you guys haven't been to a Korean restaurant, kimchi is really good for your body, good for your digestive system. But we're just gonna pig out.
They're in your thing.
Oh.
Why, you like it?
I bet.
I gotta go help my mom move it.
We definitely destroyed the food. Definitely had a good dinner here or lunch. But I'm gonna be heading back down to South Florida. Viet had to leave early because his boss checked in on him, aka his fiance. But we'll close this video out when we go outside.
I think bye. I'm pretty sure you can't hear it too well, but I'm gonna see if I can.
All right, so I want to thank you guys for showing me out. I had a good time. What's your name again?
John.
John?
Yep.
Add me on Instagram, or I'll add you on Instagram. We'll all link up again when we come back.
Yes, sir.
Chris, nice to meet you.
Chris, nice to meet you.
Meeting you, bro.
Good to see you. Oh, I've seen you before.
Yeah, great seeing you.
Good to see you again, too. But we had a good time. All right, so just left the Orlando, boys. Stuffed. I'm not stuffed to a point where I can't breathe or I'm gonna have an uncomfortable ride, but I'm satisfied. Definitely ate a lot. Good food. I approve. But right now I'm gonna go get some gas and then head back onto the turnpike and then get back home. Damn, it's a lot of traffic. I had to change my shirt because if you guys never ate at a Korean barbecue restaurant where you cook in front of you, your clothes tend to stink after because you're cooking it right there. And also your clothes may get a little bit greasy. I don't want to get that grease, at least minimize the grease that goes inside my car, so I changed my shirt. And also my shirt was pretty sweaty from earlier today, sweating all day, being outside. Well worth it. The 4-hour drive up north was definitely well worth it. All right, just finished gassing up. This is not a Shell gas station, so don't hate on me. I gotta be kind of efficient. I'm gonna be heading back south. I wanna get home before my fiance gets home. It is about 5 o'clock. It's about 3.5 hours from here to get back to South Florida, at least Fort Lauderdale. Had an incredible time today. Met a lot of cool people. Saw Matt Mormon's facility and also saw his house. That was pretty cool too. The main thing is I'm gonna go home, get a shower, get some rest. Before we head back south, I want to thank our sponsors for this video, and that's Simply Carbon Fiber. If you guys have been watching this channel for a little bit, you know me, I don't partner up with any random company. I really choose the companies I work with, and when Simply Carbon Fiber reached out to me, I already knew it was a company that I definitely wanted to work with. A lot of their products online, whether it's gift items such as this or items for myself, which I'm going to use this a lot. It's a great looking wallet. It's Alcantara and carbon fiber. Definitely a manly wallet where I don't feel ashamed of, you know, having in public. It's definitely a really interesting wallet that gives it a really unique look, and when people look at it, you could definitely tell you're a car guy. Carbon fiber and cars go together. So if you guys plan on picking up any products from Simply Carbon Fiber, they're going to give you guys a discount code, and that discount code is TDD10, and I'll list it right over here. Besides that, let's get going back down to South Florida. I'm tired. Let's get going.